How to fix Instagram CSRF token missing. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the Wi-Fi or the mobile network if you are using it. Disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Go back. Now you have to open the Play Store like this. And if you have the App Store for iPhone, you can use it too. It's the same thing. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Now all what you want to do here is click on this update option. After you click on update, your Instagram is gonna be updated into the latest version and the problem must be solved. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have to remove Instagram from your phone and install it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.